Experiencing an iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max screen that refuses to turn off, even when disabled? You're not alone. Since the release of iOS 18.1, some users have reported that the always-on display reactivates unexpectedly, draining battery and raising privacy concerns. This glitch stems from firmware issues in iOS 18.1, where AOD settings conflict with system behaviors. Although a fix was attempted in iOS 18.2, some hardware persistence remains, particularly in low-light environments. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the AOD properly and offer workarounds if it keeps turning back on. Remember that even when disabled, some users are still experiencing this issue, and you are not alone. To disable the always-on display, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and toggle Always On Off. If the screen still won't turn off, first try restarting your iPhone. If the problem persists, reset accessibility settings under Settings General, then reset. You can also use Screen Time to enforce lock screen rules. If these steps fail, wait for the next iOS update or contact Apple support. Be aware that disabling AOD can improve battery life by about 5 to 10%. The future may bring fully variable refresh rates with machine learning and micro-LED displays to avoid burn-in issues.